Okay, first I want to show you what I had used prior to do my hair. I had used this Kiss Lift Up. That was what I first used. And then I had also got like a toner. Hold on, let me grab that. This is a toner I got. And then I used 20 Volume Developer. And this is the bleach that I had got for my hair. And I want to also show you how it looks now because I plan on doing something else to it, so hold on. Okay, this is the back of it. I don't know how well you could see, but the later spots go all the way up to the top. And if you look, it's on this side too. And also on this side. I don't know how well you can see that, but I was able to get the highlights all the way to the top. What I plan on doing now is trying, I had seen several people do like the brush technique, so I was going to try to do that throughout my whole hair, and I will post everything when I'm done. Okay, I have everything together. I'm going to start, and then I'll show you. Hold on, please. Okay, now what I'm going to use is Ceracolor. It's a platinum cleanse and conditioner, and this actually works really well on your hair when you bleach it because it makes it really soft. So I'll show you how my hair looks after using this. I may have to tone it, but we'll see. Okay, this is how it looks before toning it, which I plan on doing tomorrow. Here's another look at my hair before I tone it. Here's the side of it, the middle, and the other side. Also, I wanted to let you know I had left the bleach on for an hour, and I'm going to leave the toner on for 20 minutes, which, like I said, I'll be doing that tomorrow. Another video of how it looks before I use a toner. Okay, everything is mixed now. I don't know if you could see, but this is after the toner. If you see, it's like all blended, all of it, just completely blended. And I ended up leaving the toner on for only 10 minutes instead of 20, which I think was a good idea to do that. Okay, this is the final result. I had bleached it twice, toned it twice, and this is how it came out. An hour for the last bleach, and I ended up only leaving the toner on for 10 minutes. Let me turn around so you could see the back of it. It's hard to see the front. Okay, here's the back. Like you can see, it's like all completely blended, like every part of my hair. And it doesn't look darker on the top as how it did before. It's like a lot more blended in. Even like underneath it is. very blended. Very happy with the result, and I will be continuing doing this myself because, like I said, very happy with the results and how it turned out. Okay, thanks. Bye.